How to fix auto rotate on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix auto rotate on your Android phone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix the auto rotate, which is maybe you're tuning it and then it just get auto rotated, and again you're turning it towards the right hand side, again it just turns on auto rotate, or maybe you want to enable or disable this feature, whatever your issue could be. It's very simple to turn on or off auto rotate. Now for this, all you have to do is you just need to swipe down your control panel settings. Over here you simply want to look for the option called portrait, or maybe an icon that looks like auto rotate. So in my case it is this icon which is called portrait, right? In your case, depending upon the phone you are using, it could be different. I'm using a Samsung One UI device, so you'll see this little lock icon. So currently it is set to portrait, which means that even if I switch sideways just like this, my phone is still going to be in portrait mode. But if I just turn this on, if I switch sideways, then what happens is that my home screen, from my gallery to settings, everything is going to be to switch sideways, and that's really annoying for me. So I'll just go ahead and then turn that feature off. So if you long press on it, you'll also have other options. So rotate button and navigation, whether you want to rotate your home screen or not. So when you turn on auto rotate, do you want your home screen to rotate? So if that's a yes, you can select yes, or else you can select no. Or you can select voice call screen if you want that to auto rotate. You can also select lock screen if you want that to auto rotate as well. So this is basically it on how you can go ahead and then fix the auto rotate. Just keep in mind that you have this option. You can either enable or disable that. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.